Jumping right in, tell us a little bit about
Jules, yes. So she is a university student at Darlington. She is a sorority girl by day, and I think at the core she's very sweet, very fun-loving. She has an incredibly traumatic thing happen to her, and it kind of forever changes her. And she, instead of kind of like getting on with what's happened to her, she's let down by so many people that she's forced to moonlight as a vigilante to avenge sexual assault victims.
It's hard to cheat, so
I feel like she thinks that's the only way that she can
out of breath.
in some way cope with
that was
what's
so
happened to
fun.
her
I love
and
that
try
moment.
and
It's
fight
like
what's
so
happened to a lot of other girls.
Yeah, it takes a while.
Remember that later in the season you guys will really be delving into that initial incident.
Yeah, I did look out.
How was that for you to shoot?
It was difficult. I mean, we found out what was going to happen like as we went through the filming, so I knew that we were going to really dig into Jules' story, but I didn't know when. And it's completely necessary, and I'm really proud of the way that it's done, because I think that it's done in a very organic way, and I think it's told when Jules is emotionally ready to tell it, which I think is really beautiful. But it was difficult. It was like that week in particular when we really dig into it was very draining, and Taylor actually took me away for like a weekend in Santa Barbara to like relax afterwards. So, but I felt very supported and never too overwhelmed because of how supportive my creative team were and how much Taylor and Nick were and Dylan. So.
What's your favorite thing about their relationship between Jules and Olivia?
I love that they would never be friends in any other context. I love that they're polar opposites, but they find a kind of home in each other, and I love that Ophelia. I'm so distracted by Netflix right now. I love that Ophelia kind of like brings out and gives her this support that Jules needs to tell her story, and also loosens her up at the same time. I think she stops Jules taking herself too seriously.
And what can you tease about what will happen between Jules and Tyler, who's obviously doesn't know this part of her?
It's a beautiful arc. The problem is the more that Tyler and Jules fall for each other, the bigger secrets that Jules is keeping. So there's kind of that feeling beneath anything, but also, we really dig into what is it like to have your first relationship after you've been sexually assaulted. What does that look like? What difficulties does that bring? And Nick, who plays Tyler, I adore him. He is just, he and Tyler are an amazing example of how amazing men can be, and I think that's important in our story.
So much what do you next to show on that stage?
I don't think it's like anything I've seen on television before. I've never seen a show that is such a mashup of genres. I don't think you can describe what it is in one sentence. It is a superhero vigilante story, but it is also digging into incredibly real topics, and then also it's incredibly funny and fun. So I think it's all those things. I think it has something for everyone, and I think we're talking about something that is an important conversation. So
thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks so much.